Reduce the file size in Excel. One of the most required trick. If you have very big size file and cannot attach to email, you want to reduce the file size without the help of any other software. You can do in Excel. How? We have this very big large data file, and the size of this file is almost 30 MB. Now we want to reduce the file size. How can we do? Just open, go to File, Save As, then select the option Excel Binary Workbook and save it. So have you noticed the file size has been reduced to 7.5 MB. There's no issue if you want to save the file in binary.